everybody, it's Kelly, and look what I have here. I have the Potomac Beads Treasure Edition box for March of 2023. I am so excited. I did peek at it, of course, because, you know, I got it a couple days before the 10th, so I had to look just so I could get my creative juices flowing. So, the Treasure Edition, the Best Bead Box Treasure Edition is formerly the regular box. And this is for stringing, weaving, and freeform. It's got 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads. Stash beads may include a new collection each month. Some, the same products in multiple colorways. 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box on their channel. There's premium stash beads, there's crystals, Czech glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, etc. It's beginner friendly, and past boxes will become available a la carte after several months. There's 5 golden tickets each month in 5 boxes. So if you get one of those, you get a prize, which sounds exciting. Priced monthly, it's $39.99. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99, so you save $120 a year. So that is really a good deal. So without further ado, let us open this box. Don't want to hit my wires. So it starts out, it says Best Bead Box Binder. This month your subscription box got an upgrade. Enjoy this Best Bead Box Binder to keep all your jewelry making essentials in one organized place. Punch holes in your patterns and extra paper to hang from the rings. Make notes or draw out additional designs while keeping your paper handy, contained, and visible. Collect additional helpful inserts and grow your collection of printed resources. Hint, hint, more resources to come. Use the space below to start designing your next piece. Okay, so I'm going to turn it this way now. So, ooh, look at the goodies. Oh, so this is what we have for this month. It says Dark Night Treasure Subscription, inspired by the calm night sky with deep blues and hints of light. This month's treasure box will inspire you to create. Use any combination of these beads to design your next go-to piece of jewelry. Okay. So let's get all of these. I always throw that out because we have animals in the house. And let's see. Ooh, look at this is a handful. Okay, so I'm going to put these all right here. Close this awesome box. I keep all of these boxes. They're so nice. Okay. So let's see where we are here. I'm going to get set up and I will be right back. Okay, so we're starting out with the Potomac Pearls Moonstone 4mm 10-inch strand. Look how pretty that is. It's a nice strand of pearls, so pretty. The holes are always so nice with these. It seems like they give us a strand of the Potomac pearls every month. We've gotten one. This is my 3rd strand for the 3rd month. Very pretty. Next are, look how cute these are. The Potomac blue Czech glass blue Buddha beads. Look how cute these are. They have a back and a front. So that's the front and that's the back. It's so cute. So look at these, and they have a little bit of a gold wash on them. Look at the face on them. So cute. Love them. Okay, and next are the Potomac Miyuki seed beads in black 80. I'm not going to open this because they'll go everywhere. Very nice though. And then we have the Potomac beads, Miyoki seed beads, 11-0, semi-frosted pale blue. And I think you can see through there. These are really pretty. Clear outside and lining on the inside. And next is plated micro-faceted seamless mirror rounds. And there's 8 of them. Oh wait, 9 of them. Oh, package of 10. Oh, there they are. Okay. There we go. Okay. Look how pretty they are. Micro-faceted seamless mirror round beads, 8mm, premium 99%, pure silver plating, package of 10. Very pretty. Really nice sparkle on them. They look like little disco balls. Okay. And next is the Potomac beads matte round 5mm Montana. Nice. We have a few of them in there still. Oh. So these are really pretty. Where did I drop that bead? Oh, here it is. Have a nice matte finish on them. Holes are really nice. You can see the holes in there. They add a different texture to this group because some of them are shiny, faceted, and then you get some matte. And now here we get some Druzy Agate blue iris round beads, 6mm. Oh, these are pretty. I still leave a couple of them in so you can see them better. Look how pretty these are. Very pretty. Love that. Look at that sparkly. I love the Druzy beads, especially when they have this going on right there. Looks so pretty. And next, the Potomac crystal round beads, metallic blue iris, 2mm. Oh, look at these. Ooh. Hello. Look how pretty these are. Absolutely gorgeous. And next is lapis lazuli chips, 5 to 8mm gemstone. These are nice. They've got some weight to them too. There's your, so pretty. Nice. You actually could. You have enough for a bracelet just right here. Very pretty. There's so much texture in these. You know, when you look up close, there's different striations in them. Different hues of blue. Such a pretty bead. Okay, and these are plated twisted barrel screw clasps. Duh. I always say that when I mess up. So here's 5 of them. They unscrew. These are really nice. Give you a change from a lobster claw or a toggle clasp or even the spring ring. Very pretty. Next is the large Czech glass black oval beads. And the holes up here at the top. Really pretty. Definitely have some weight to them. Make a pretty pendant. You could bead around it. There's a lot you could do with these. So pretty. And next are the Czech glass long bicone beads. I'm thinking that's what these are. This is the only strand that came in that wasn't in a bag. Oh, look how pretty those are. Absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love. And next are the Star Matte Czech glass star beads, or the Star Matte Jet AB. So the hole is at the top right there. So very pretty. Got different, one side looks like it's kind of black. And then the other one is got the color to it. So it's very pretty. And next are the Pie Duos, Metallic Sea Blue Pie Duo beads. 6 by 8 millimeters. These are fun to work with. So here's the 2 holes right there. And then they go through the pie shape, they go through the front like that. There's a lot you can do. You can use these as connectors if you want to do a 2-strand necklace. You could bead weave with these. There's like a little bit of everything in this box. And this is the Czech glass Czech glass flat sliced nugget beads, 15 millimeters in turquoise. And there's the hole right up there. Look how pretty those are. It's got that table cut look to it. So pretty. There's no, it's just one color. There's no different striations or anything in these. And next is, oh, nice, stainless steel tweezers. Okay, I'm going to have to get these out. Oh, look at these. So nice. It's a nice little addition to your tools. I'm picking up small things. Or let me pick one up here. Yeah, really nice there. Very cool. And then last but not least, we have the brass. Oh, I just ripped the back a little bit. Ooh, look at these. We have Potomac beads, the brass beads, seamless, smooth round, 4 millimeter premium, 99.9% silver plated brass. Pack of 100. Wow, that's really nice. Very pretty. You can do a lot with these. This box is so pretty. It's got a little bit of everything, but everything works together. So you can do a lot with this. These are so pretty. I am really impressed with this month's box. I can't wait to start working with it. Very excited. I'm so excited to be a bead ambassador for them. I'm so happy when they contacted me. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I know I did. My creativity is flowing right now. So I'm sure after I turn off this camera, I will start playing around with stuff and get started with some tutorials for you guys. Last month I did 3 tutorials from their bead box. So I did a bead unboxing, I did 3 different tutorials, 2 necklaces and a bracelet. Then I did a finished bead box of what I made from their stuff. So I was able to do 5 videos from this box. So I was very excited with that. So hopefully I'll get 3 more tutorials from these along with this unboxing, and then a finished one too. So if you're interested in this, you go down below. I have a link below in the description to the Potomac beads, and I also have my social media below if you want to look at my Etsy store, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or yes. Sorry, I'm so overwhelmed by all these beads, and like my brain is just going crazy with these. So yeah, so, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I have so much to come this year. This is going to be my year as far as my channel. I have a list of about 100 things that I want to do. So really, I'm going to keep you busy. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks, and have a great day.